Hello there, my friends. So this is going to be a video about a short introduction to Greek desserts, because we were at a Greek food festival yesterday and we got all these desserts. So they had this pastry line that you went through. It was absolutely fantastic. And I think everybody probably knows this one here. You can see I've already taken a bite out of it. This is baklava, right? So baklava, that's what this is. It is layers of phyllo dough and honey and pistachios, right? All layered together. Here's the description on the menu. Layers of phyllo dough alternated with layers of chopped walnuts, cinnamon, and sugar drenched in honey syrup. Now, I've had this with pistachios before, but this is walnuts. Obviously, if you're allergic to walnuts, you definitely don't want to be eating this. If you're not, unbelievable. The honey is so sweet. This is high energy food here. If you can only eat one thing for the whole day, this might just be enough to get you through the day. There's a lot of calories in this, which is fine. All right, the second thing that I got is this apricot roll. This is amazing. So this looks like a little egg roll or a burrito or something like that. Let's read the description. Apricot filling wrapped in phyllo, topped with apricot syrup. Phyllo is the wrapper, right? So you can see the fruit in there. Like apple pie, except made with apricot. And the syrup is so sticky. But it's got that freshness of the fruit, which is, it's not just sugar. It's like, boom, that burst of like refreshing, bright flavor as well. All right, so this one I have not had. So this one here was called Galaktoboureko, all right? If you're Greek, don't take offense to the way I pronounce these things, but tell me if I'm even close. So it's a delicate custard filling. Okay, that's this one here. You can see the custard filling here. In a blanket of tissue-thin phyllo dough topped with sweet syrup and obviously powdered sugar. So we're gonna eat this with a fork. Get that up there. Show that to the camera. Custard. Wow. The powdered sugar is amazing. And the custard gives it this kind of like velvety chew factor. Now, I've had these in the refrigerator and not at room temperature, so that might have had something to do with the way the custard's set, Absolutely adorable. And on the way out, as I was ordering this, the wonderful lady behind the counter, she's like, is there anything else? I'm like, I think that might be enough. And she said, well, this is really good. And so I'm like, you're a great salesperson. And she had, this is called Karithopita, Karithopita. Walnut cake spiced with citrus, cloves, and cinnamon, crowned in clove-laced syrup. Holy cloves. All right, look at this. You can see the syrup has sunk down to the bottom of this. Here's your walnut cake, and there's some walnuts dusted on top. All right, this is a first for me too. On camera, first time ever eating this. There's something about the combination of cinnamon and clove. It's dark. It's got kind of a molasses kind of thing going on there. It's a similar seasoning to what they put in their moussaka, which is kind of like a almost like a take on lasagna, which has that cinnamon clove flavor with the ground beef. But this obviously is cake. Just, I'm going to be making a lot of things with cinnamon and clove from now on. I may even make tea or coffee with this. It's got that coffee element to it, that extra dimension of flavor. You know what I mean? Anyway, there's probably about 3,000 calories right here. But that's okay. I'm just taking a bite. I'll take it on the chin for you guys. You know, take a bullet for you guys. No, not literally. Yeah, so like this is great. I've been doing my diet. You guys want to see the diet videos? Check out the channel, how to lose weight. But you can still eat this kind of stuff on my diet. You just can't eat it all the time or a lot of it. Anyway, having a bite like this every once in a while, real treat. And that Greek food festival was amazing. There's videos on my channel about the Greek food festival. You want to sit down and listen to some excellent Greek music for 9 minutes. Boom, there's a video for that. All right, guys, thanks for subscribing. What are we at now? Almost 14,000? I think we're at 13,958 subscribers. So thanks for hitting that subscribe button. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Oh, wait, one more shot of the beautiful desserts. Yes.